Sarura Kids.
We're doing a bouncy egg. So for this, you're going to need a cup.
Yeah.
Some distilled vinegar. And an egg. And we're going to put the egg in very carefully into our cup.
Yeah.
It goes in very carefully. And we're going to cover it completely with our vinegar.
Yeah.
Thank you, sweetie. And let's cover it completely. And I think that egg is completely covered. And then we're going to leave this egg over here all day long.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now let's put it over there. So we'll leave the egg there all day long and we'll come back and we'll find it tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Okay, well done, sweetie.
Bouncy egg! Bouncy egg! Bouncy egg! Bouncy egg!
Bouncy egg! Bouncy egg! Bouncy egg!
Bouncy egg!
Bouncy egg! Are you ready to see the bouncy egg?
Yeah.
Right, let's see if this egg is bouncy. Oh my goodness, it feels very special. Right, let Mummy just take out some of this vinegar. Can you smell that? What does it smell of? Vinegar. It smells of vinegar.
Mom need to take it out.
Yes, Mummy's using one hand, so Mummy's being very careful about it.
Yeah.
Right. So, we've got our egg. And as you can probably see, which I just think is fantastic, you can actually, look, we're peeling off some of the egg skin. And so now the egg has gone quite white. So Mummy's going to wash it. So let's wash it under the water. Let me see, baby. Wow.
Our bouncy egg.
Yes, we're going to move you back a little bit. And let me just change the camera a little bit. So it sees you better. But I'll move it back a little bit just in case this hasn't worked. Bouncy egg! Do you see?
On the sea.
Bouncy!
On the make it bounce.
Okay, you just have to hold it.
Yeah.
And then drop it. There, it's bouncy. Like a rubber ball. It's just bounced into the sink. It's very robust. Bounce. And pick it up. Bounce. Bounce. Yes, it's like a little ball.
Yeah.
But that's an egg. So you have to hold it carefully because it's still a real egg. Bounce. And bounce. And drop, drop, drop. Yeah, bounce. Yay.
It's fun.
It is fun, isn't it? Oh, don't squeeze it, sweetie. Don't squeeze it. Don't squeeze it. Because you can still open it. It's still a real egg. So we have to be very careful with it. Right, so now it's bouncy. And it's bouncy. Now, let's see if we can find our torch. Shall we go see if we can find our torch? And see if we can see inside the egg.
There.
Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see? What do you see there? That yellow thing? That's the egg yolk.
That egg yolk.
Yeah, that's the egg yolk.
Yeah. That egg yolk.
Yeah, so you can see inside the egg. Can you see that, baby?
Yeah.
Isn't that wonderful?
There's something in.
Yeah.
There's something in there. Mom, look at. I saw.
Do you want to see what's inside it?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to have a look and see what's inside it in just a second.
Open it.
Yes, we're going to open it, but we're not going to crack it. We're going to cut it with a knife.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's
So you can see inside the egg. And it's still a raw egg. You see that?
It's a bouncy egg.
It's a raw, bouncy egg. Isn't that amazing? And it's squishy. Okay, yeah, I'm going to move this away from here because these are still also lights, so that's never a good idea. But you can bounce it and poke it. Yay!
Cake.
Yes, you're poking it. And you can drop it. Don't squeeze it too hard because I think it might still pop.
A bouncy.
It's a bouncy egg.
Bounce.
Yay!
I touch it. I touch it.
You're touching it, yes?
I touch it.
Yes, you are touching it.
It's bouncing. It's rebounding.
It's a very bouncy egg, isn't it?
It's bounce in the
Bouncing and rolling away. There you go.
It's
a real egg.
It's with my 3D.
Okay, don't squeeze it too hard, sweetie. Because there's still a real egg in there.
That's bigger.
It's a big, big raw egg.
Yeah.
That's a real egg, sweetie. That's amazing, isn't it? And that's because we sat it in vinegar for 24 hours.
Yeah.
So it went to sleep in vinegar, yes? And then the egg becomes all bouncy. I'm just waiting for the moment when you press that too hard.
Yeah.
That's all Mummy's waiting for right now. With a mixture of dread and anticipation. You want to have a go, don't you? You want to go grab that bouncy egg. Okay, not cleaning the table with the egg, just dropping it so you see it's bouncy.
Yeah.
Right, let Mummy go find a knife. Then we can cut the egg open. We cut it open. And then you can see what's inside the egg.
Yeah.
Right, let's leave the egg over here.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bounce. And let's go get ourselves a plate.
Yeah.
And a knife. And to cut the egg. Oh, I think baby wants to go. I know. It's an egg.
I want to bounce.
Sweetie, can you reach the lights on the sink? Can you reach them?
Okay.
Oh, no. Oh! It's okay. It's too late. Baby just squashed the egg. Well, that's the end of our experiment, sweetie. The egg has been squashed.
Mom,
Baby just squashed it. I know.
I want it back.
I know. So do I. No. Don't touch the egg, please. We all have to wash our hands now.
It's gone.
Yes, baby squeezed it too hard. You know, you end up with egg on your face, but in your case, you're ending up with egg on your hands. I know, and she's off. We'll make another one. Shall we make another one and then we can do it again tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, Mummy will make another one and we'll do it again tomorrow. But that was brilliant, wasn't it?
Baby squeezed it too hard.
Baby squeezed it too hard. She got very happy seeing all of that egg over there. So.
Mom,
Okay, we'll do it again tomorrow, sweetie. So leave it. Mummy's got to tidy it up now. We'll do it again tomorrow, okay?
bye-bye.
See you later. Thanks, baby.